Hello. Today I will show you how to how to make any ringtone and install it on your iPhone. No computer. Risk quitted. Okay. You need to jailbreak your device. Go to CD. White. Okay. Ignore. And now you need the Big Boss repo. It's in description below. It's apt.thebigboss.org/repo files/cd/ and now you need to search the file Ringtones. Click on it for iOS 7. Install application, and now go to JailBreak device when it's loading. But okay, Ringtones. Make ringtone. It's add. Click make ringtone. Click on iPod if you from your music application. I chose the happy